Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Pepe video update today. If you're new, do subscribe because you might never see this channel again. And let's talk about what is Pepe doing. Now previously I told you about a trend line that has been met. The target was met of the trend line, and I'm going to go back here and I want to show you that trend line. So this was this channel trend line there, and I told you that now that you're losing this line right over here, it seems like you are more interested to go down and you're going to find support in this line right there. So this line was your support and you pretty much took a lot of stop losses out there, grabbed some liquidity. But the question is now, is this the end of Pepe? Are we going to go back? Well, maybe it is, because on the RSI you do have a very small gap to still come a little bit to the downside, and I think you do have chances to actually still go down. Okay, like for example, this was your support there, support here, come down, touch the support line again before you don't start to move to the upside. And I'm going to tell you why I think we still have chances to go down. Number one is the RSI, as I told you. Number two is this bear flag, and the bear flag here is in the making, and if you break below the flag, then of course I'm going to tell you the technical target. It could be from there to there, and we're looking for another push down, and you could be looking at Pepe to go down to 9599. Even maybe just take this stop loss again. People have the stop loss here, come down again, take that stop loss, move down a little bit lower, the RSI gets oversold, and then you start to pump back up. Now two reason, okay, bear flag in the making, RSI is actually having a gap. Now reason number three is on the daily, and I'm going to show you a continuation pattern, which is a 3 black crows. This is way more convincing to me that Pepe has to go down even more, and that is 1 candle, 2 candle, and 3 candle. These are continuation candles. That means that you are looking for more continuation to come to the downside. So we are not over yet. I don't think this is the end of it. I'm still expecting more movement to the downside. Now remember, back in the days when we had this I'm just gonna extend the demand zone, because the demand zone is really important for us to understand. I'm just gonna stress it out like that. Just bear with me for a second here. Boom. And yeah, so this demand zone, guys, this one, we could be looking at touching the demand zone once again. So basically come down to the demand zone, and if you have one touch, move up, second touch, move up, come here, another touch and a move up. And then again, I'm going to say you, just as I told you back in the days, if you are going to hold, you're looking for a move up. If you are going to hold, you're looking for a move up. But if you're not going to hold and break below this line here and go back and get rejected right there, you might be looking at a push down to 5,500. Keep that in mind. And that's it for this very quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.